Ok, señores, bienvenidos a clase. Hoy tenemos una cosa que discutir, que es los números. Vamos a hablar de los números. Welcome. Today we have one thing to discuss, and that is numbers. Numbers in Spanish are very simple. Nothing really very hard about them at all. I imagine that most of you already know 1 through 10. You can say them with me or repeat them after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really not all that tough, I imagine, but maybe some of you don't know them yet. After that, we have a couple more to memorize, and then life gets easy. So, for 11, starting at 11, we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 1 through 15. You'll notice that 11, you can sort of see uno in there a little bit, or hear it. 12, you can certainly hear dos in it. 13, you can hear tres in it. 14, you can hear cuatro in it. And 15, you can sort of hear cinco in it. And if not, you can think of quintuplets and that sort of thing. So 15, it's right there. After that, Spanish numbers become super simple. Okay? So, for instance, looking at, am I in here? Good. Going from 16 up, we'll see 16, 17, 18, 19. Now, if you notice the way that it's pronounced, 16, 17, 18, 19, you may notice that what I'm really saying is something like this. 16, which just means 10 and 6. That's all we're saying here. We're just spelling it slightly differently. So it'd be important as you study to really look at the way in which these numbers are spelled. But all you're saying is 10 and 6. 16. The Y is being replaced with an I. One of them here has an accent mark we have to watch out for. But otherwise, really simple. It's the same way for the rest of the numbers for a while here. So you'll see 20 is our number for 20. The number for 21 can be written like this. Okay, though in my opinion that's kind of lame because nobody does that. Nobody does it like that, nobody says it like that. Pretty rare. Every once in a while you see it. The more common way to see it is like this. Okay, 21. One thing you'll notice here is that a sound does get slightly lost when we write it this way. The reason is because that when people are speaking, people would not say 21. They wouldn't pronounce all 3 of these vowels in a row. Right? Naturally, this E sound gets lost. It's just too many vowels to fit into one's mouth. Okay, and so what people end up saying is 21, 21, sort of skipping that E sound, which gives us this. So real simple then, 22, with an accent there, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Real simple. You can see that in your book. After that, we reach 30, which is 30. And from here on out, you don't even have to spell things funny. So 31 is our 31. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And that's as far as we'll go for today. So, Numbers, pretty simple. Learn them, enjoy them. Adios.